Welcome to Slow English Podcast for Arabs.
The Spoiled Boy. An interesting story. This is the story of a boy. He has everything he could ever want. Money, friends, and a life where nothing is ever hard. He doesn't work. He doesn't worry about money. He doesn't think about. If he wants to eat something, it's there. If he wants something expensive, his mom buys it for him. Everyone around him says, "John is so lucky." And at first, he believed them. He spends his days having fun, eating what he wants, buying what he wants, going wherever he wants. He has no rules, no responsibilities. Everything comes to him easily. But deep down, there's something he doesn't see. A problem slowly growing. Something that will test him and teach him a lesson he has never learned before. He doesn't know it yet, but life is about to show him that having everything doesn't always mean you are strong. And what happens next will surprise you. It will make you wonder how a boy who had everything could face the reality he never imagined. John was born as an only child. His father died when John was only 6 years old. After that, his mother loved him more than anything in the world. She wanted to protect him from sadness. She always gave him what he wanted. As a child, John never had to wait for anything. If he wanted a phone, his mother bought it. If he wanted candy, she gave it. If he wanted a trip, she took him. He never needed to do chores or help anyone. Life was easy and fun for him. John went to school, but he did not care about lessons. He thought homework was boring. Teachers told him to study, but he ignored them. At home, his mother reminded him, "John, you must work hard. Life is not always easy." But John only laughed. He said, "Don't worry, Mom. I have you. Everything will be fine." As John grew older, things did not change. He became a teenager, but he still wanted everything immediately. Clothes, gadgets, snacks, he got them all. He went out with friends, but he didn't care about time or responsibilities. His mother tried to guide him. She said, "John, friends come and go. You must learn to take care of yourself." But John ignored her. He thought she was overreacting. Life was easy, and he did not think about the future. John's friends liked having fun with him. He was always cheerful, bought snacks, and treated everyone. But he never helped anyone in real need. He never shared responsibility or supported anyone when they were sad. One day, John's mother became very sick. At first, John did not believe it. He thought she would get better quickly. But days passed and she became weaker. John had never cooked, cleaned, or cared for anyone. He did not know what to do. He tried to call his friends for help, but one by one they were busy. Some ignored his calls. Some said, "Sorry, I cannot come." For the first time, John felt lonely. No games, no fun. Just responsibility and fear. He remembered the advice his mother gave him for years. Suddenly, he understood what she meant. Life is not only about fun, it is about caring and helping. John stayed by his mother's side. He tried to cook simple food. He cleaned the house. He helped her with medicine. At first, he made many mistakes. He burned food, spilled water, and forgot times. But he never gave up. Slowly, he learned to be responsible. He learned that being spoiled was not happiness. Real happiness is helping someone you love. His friends started to notice the change. Some returned to help him. But John knew now that true support comes from caring, not just fun. During this time, John realized something else. Life can be lonely if you rely only on others for everything. When his mother was sick, he was alone. No one would cook for him, clean for him, or solve his problems. He cried sometimes. He missed the easy life. But he also learned to be strong. He understood that love and care are not always free. They need responsibility and effort. Months passed. John became stronger and wiser. He learned to cook, clean, and manage his life. He helped his neighbors, studied more, and respected others. He became someone who could give love, not just take it. When his mother recovered, she was proud of him. She said, "John, you are no longer my little boy. You are a man now." John smiled. He realized that the hardest times taught him the most important lessons. He had changed from a spoiled boy to a young man with respect, love, and responsibility. John learned an important lesson. Life is not about having everything you want. Life is about learning, caring, and sharing love. Love without guidance can spoil you. Love with guidance can make you strong. John never forgot the time he felt alone. He promised himself that he would never take anyone's love for granted again. He wanted to help others, respect friends, and care for family. True happiness comes from responsibility, kindness, and understanding